An easy way to roll gum paste at a constant even thickness is to use a pasta roller. We will be starting by conditioning the gum paste. We will knead along with some vegetable fat to make the paste becoming smooth and elastic. After kneading for a few times, you have to roll the paste in a shape of a sausage, the width of your palm. Then with a rolling pin, get to a thickness suitable to be used through the pasta machine. Every pasta machine has a different type of settings. They all start from setting number 1, which typically is about 1/4 of an inch. But you have to adapt to whatever the thickness of your pasta machine starts with. Dry the surface of the gum paste with some cornstarch to make sure it doesn't stick into your machine, and then start rolling, starting with the setting number 1, going step by step through setting number 2, then 3, and so on. Some pasta machines do go up to setting 6, some others to setting 9. Whatever you prefer for your project. But just go step by step to get the required thickness. Quick and easy. When you finish rolling, place the rolled gum paste in between plastic sleeves. Do not overlap the gum paste pieces, so make sure that they fit in between the plastic sleeves and they don't touch each other, as they can get sticky. Now, wrapped between plastic sleeves, the gum paste can stay fresh up to 2 hours, so that you can comfortably use the rolled out gum paste to complete your project.